Welcome back to EVAI Labs. Today, we're electrified about the groundbreaking 2027 BMW iM3, the first ever fully electric M3 and BMW's inaugural production electric M car. Built on the dedicated Neue Klasse EV platform, this high-performance sedan promises to deliver ultimate driving machine thrills with instant torque, advanced tech, and zero emissions, while coexisting alongside a separate gasoline M3. Spy shots and leaks show it's progressing toward a March 2027 production start, with deliveries following soon after. Let's break it down, starting with the exterior that's blending retro-futuristic vibes with aggressive M flair. The exterior draws heavily from the Vision Neue Klasse concept, featuring clean, minimalist surfaces, a low-wide stance, and retro-inspired elements like a shark nose front end. Recent spy photos reveal production-ready headlights with distinctive dual-slanted LED elements in each unit, housed within an illuminated kidney grille outline for a modern twist. Expect flared fender bulges, pronounced aero enhancements like larger diffusers, unique bumpers, and bigger wheels for that classic M aggression. The closed-off grille optimizes airflow for cooling, while flush door handles, slim lighting signatures, and aerodynamic wheels enhance efficiency. Camouflaged prototypes show a sporty sedan silhouette with short overhangs and a cab backward proportion, evoking classic BMWs but optimized for EV packaging. It's wider and lower than the current M3, with M-specific accents differentiating it from the standard i3 sedan. Overall, it's about 90% production ready, promising a timeless yet forward-looking design that turns heads without excess. Inside, the iM3 elevates the driver-focused cockpit to new heights with Neue Klasse innovation and M luxury. The cabin adopts a clean, tech-forward layout centered on iDrive X, featuring the revolutionary Panoramic Vision, a full-width head-up display projecting info across the windshield base for seamless interaction. A large central touchscreen handles infotainment, with over-the-air updates keeping it evolving. Physical multifunction buttons on a redesigned steering wheel provide tactile feedback, blending digital and analog perfectly. Sustainable premium materials, like recycled fabrics and natural fibers, wrap supportive M Sport seats with deep bolstering and optional massage functions. Ambient lighting creates a premium atmosphere, while clever storage and excellent space benefit from the flat battery floor. Advanced driver assists, AI-powered voice control, and augmented reality navigation make it intuitive. It's serene for daily drives yet engaging for performance, with M-specific graphics and trims setting it apart, a high-tech oasis balancing minimalism and opulence. Performance is where the iM3 truly ignites, leveraging the 800-volt Neue Klasse architecture for blistering electric power. Expect a quad-motor all-wheel drive setup in top variants, delivering around 700 horsepower or more, potentially up to 800 to 900 in ultimate trims, for sub-3-second 0 to 60 miles per hour sprints. Instant torque, precise vectoring, and a low center of gravity promise sublime handling, with adaptive suspension and M-tuned dynamics rivaling or exceeding gas M3's. Next-gen cylindrical batteries offer competitive range, likely 300 to 400 miles EPA, with ultra-fast charging adding hundreds of miles quickly. The Heart of Joy supercomputer integrates powertrain and chassis for millisecond responses, ensuring energy efficiency without sacrificing fun. It's not just fast, it's balanced for tracks, canyons, or commutes, setting new EV performance benchmarks against rivals like the Tesla Model 3 Performance or Lucid Air. Pricing for the 2027 BMW iM3 is estimated to start around $80,000 to $90,000 in the US for base models, climbing higher with options and performance packs, positioning it as a premium choice in the electric super sedan segment. It may qualify for federal incentives, softening the entry for buyers. This iM3 could redefine electric performance forever. Thanks for tuning into EVAI Labs. Smash like if you're hyped for BMW's electric M future, subscribe for more reviews, and we'll see you next time.